In the restoration industry, we have multiple platforms that we have to use, and every restoration company is different in who they use and for their main CRM, or just doing different programs for different insurance carriers. A lot of insurance carriers use third-party vendors, and so we have to use their portals. A lot of insurance carriers require certain sketches to be made in certain platforms as well too, so we can't use the same platforms for different ones either. KnowHow has streamlined that process in our training to connect the dots of which program to use for which insurance carrier and which documents or guidelines we have to follow for that specific insurance group.